Dear students, welcome to all the students of class 8. I am Grish Mollik, assistant teacher of Chunkuri Secondary School, Chunkuri Dakop Khulna. Now I am going to class 8 on online class, subject English first paper, unit 7, lesson 4. Okay, dear students, in this class we have to learn read and understand text through silent reading. Listen for information, ask and answer questions, write down the main ideas of our own words, write short paragraphs. Okay, dear students, this is a picture. What kind of picture is it? And another picture is coming. What kind of picture is this? These are floating boards. Okay, dear students, another picture is coming. What kind of is this? This is bedes. Okay, we have to see another picture. We are seeing here another picture and another pictures. What kind of is this? In the last three pictures, this is boat schools. So, dear students, we have to learn in this class. The class title is River Gypsies in Bangladesh. Okay, dear students, read the text and answer the following questions. Dear students, river gypsies in Bangladesh are having various problems. First, Bangladesh is getting urbanized very rapidly. Gypsy people are losing their customers in urban population. Hence, their income is threatened. Secondly, 24,000 kilometers of previous waterways has shrunk into only 6,000 kilometers in the country in dry seasons. Scientists believe that Bangladesh will be worst affected by global climate change. The unpredictable rain and drying out of rivers have made boat movement heavily restricted. Thirdly, many river gypsies are changing their lifestyle in the context of changed reality. They are thinking of living permanently on land. The authority feels that river gypsies need help to survive in the mainstream population. Therefore, the government is offering voting rights, permanent housing and bank loan facilities. However, change do not come overnight. Traditionally, river gypsies are used to water life. They have inherited from their forefathers necessary like skills to survive in waters. They have no education and training to adapt to mainstream modern society. So the authority feels the need to bring them under formal education network, but they have no permanent living place. Gypsy children are born and brought up in roaming boats. Therefore, they cannot go to conventional school, and hence mobile boat schools are coming up for gypsy children. Some voluntary organizations are running special schools on boats to educate river gypsy children some areas. Okay, dear students, Here are some word and meaning. The keywords are survive, that is verb, used to, inherit, that is verb, mainstream, noun, pt, adjective, trick, verb, integral part, adjective, community, noun, settle, verb, urbanize, verb, urban, adjective. Here meaning survive, that means to remain alive. Used to, that means habit of long time. Inherit, that's verb, it means to receive the property or money of a person who has died. Mainstream, that means main part of follow. Pt, that means very small. Trick, that means to deceive by cunning or artifice. Integral part, that means essential to completeness. Community, a body of people living in the same place under the same laws. Settle, to fix by agreement. Urbanize, that means to cause to take on urban characteristics. Urban, that means relating to a city. Okay, dear students, here is evaluation. Here are some questions. What are the main problems that river gypsies are facing? What is the effect of global climate change in Bangladesh? Why are many river gypsies thinking of changing their lifestyle? Why can't river gypsy children go to conventional schools? Who are running special schools for river gypsy children and why? Okay, dear students, you have to write your notebook the probable answer. Now I am going to show you the probable answer is. First question's answer is the river gypsies are facing many problems. The main problems are they are losing their customers as the country. As the country is urbanizing rapidly, waterways have shrunk into 1/4 in the dry season and boat movement has been restricted. Next question's answer is the effect of global climate change is Bangladesh is that her temperature is getting hot day by day. The answer number 3 is many river gypsies are thinking of changing their lifestyle in the context of changed reality. Question number 4 is river gypsy children cannot go to conventional schools because they are born and brought up on rowing boats. They have to permanent living place. And the answer is last questions. Some voluntary organizations are running special schools on board to educate river gypsy children. They run this type of schools so that the gypsy children can adapt to mainstream people. Okay, dear students, Here is your homework. You have to practice in your home. Write a paragraph about how you can help the gypsy children. I'll say again. Write a paragraph about how you can help the gypsy children. Okay, dear students. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.